A mesmerizing display. A spot of limbering up, accompanied by a weird and wheezy call from deep in his throat. Now it's time for his grand performance. He waves his wing like a matador's cape. She appears to be transfixed. This is certainly eye-catching, but it seems he needs to do more. Generously, she drops him a hint. It's the bird equivalent of a bouquet of flowers. It's all going so well, it's time to get physical, with a few headbutts to her chest.